Today I'm taking a look at the P5 portable charger. It does come with a charging cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. We have an instruction manual, and it says this is a 50,000 milliamp hour battery charger. It runs at 3.7 volts, has a couple of different inputs depending on what you plug in, and a handful of different outputs depending on what you plug in. If you do normal charging, it'll take 14 to 15 hours, which is completely normal for a 50,000 milliamp hour power bank. And if you fast charge, that is 8 to 9 hours. And we got the dimensions, and it's about 1.33 pounds. So this is one of the things I love about these 50,000 milliamp hour power banks. They are just so small for the amount of power that you get out of them. It seemed like not long ago, if you wanted 50,000 milliamp hours, you were going to be carrying something the size of a car battery. So you can see it does say 50,000 milliamp hours. We got two USB-A ports on the top, we got a USB-C, and we have a micro USB. So you can plug in basically any kind of thing that you got. It does have a button on the side. Click that. And we can see that it does come with a 69% charge. So I'm going to plug into the USB-C ports, and I'm going to plug into my phone. And we can see we are fast charging. So very happy to see that. And we can see on there it does have an icon for fast charging. So we know that we are using a lot of battery power to charge our phone up. So at 50,000 milliamp hours, we're going to have plenty of juice to charge even larger objects, and even the capacity to charge multiple things at the same time. So if you're looking for a small power bank with a ton of power, that is going to be an excellent option.